That is so good.
Bitch. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Don't cake all over the carpet.
There's no on the carpet, Christy. What do you
Hold on. I want to spill my beer. Let's go for a walk. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm choking. You don't.
Don't play that game on me. Walk.
Don't put cake in my dad's face! Trev, you're being too rough!
Let go. Let go.
Too rough.
I am not. She's choking before.
Trouble.
I think you're playing, Molly.
Please, I beg you.
You should have thought better before you did this. Okay, just open up and stay off. Stay off. Ready?
I can't play. I'm so glad I'm not you right now, dude.
No, easy. Raven.
Dude, I would whoop his fucking ass. That was just so rough.
Your eye.
That was crazy.
Cake in the eye!
Get through the kitchen floor again.
I'm so mad at
Oh, I
this.
better.
Walk, I got your back now.
You told Daddy to be that boy.
Dad,
Now I have to read it.
I got picked on.
boy.
I got picked on.
Christy, you're a bad girl.
Yep.
What's the bathroom?
And Daddy, you're a bad boy.
I know.
And there's cake in your hat. There's a little bit cake in your hat.
It's in my hat.
I have perfect timing.
Were you going somewhere?
Yeah, we were going out. That's why I came and picked her up. Where's the thing?
Did you not think that was gonna happen?
I did not think it was gonna happen.
Oh my
Get
god.
my eyes anytime.
It's all in your hair. You're gonna take a shower.
Why the hair, Travis?
It's gonna burn because you.
Alien, in the hallway there's towels.
How I eat this thing? How I eat this thing? Can't open this.
Did you have that on camera?
I'm still getting it
What
on
are you
camera.
gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Motherfucker got in my hair. Oh, that bitch.
Kirsty, you're a bad girl. Kirsty, you're a bad girl.
It's up my nose. Look, look.
I know, because you put cake in my dad's face.
He's rough, dude. He's rough.
I literally like got choked the fuck out of this now.
You put
I could not breathe.
cake in
It
my
just choked the fuck out of me.
face. Dad, why did you put
Molly doesn't shut up when that kind of stuff happens.
Oh my god, he choked me so bad.
I know.
Like that
He could be
hurt.
really rough.
It hurt so bad. Oh wow. Oh wow, that was so not worth it. Oh. Bastard.
Oh my gosh.
Christy's like,
You set her up to that?
no, I didn't. Christy's like, that's so not worth it. Dude, you fucking choked her really hard.
She was choking before.
Yeah, you were talking.
Like right here, dude.
I didn't ever see it up.
Yeah.
And I finally saw.
Molly's really mad at you guys.